Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this Android tutorial, I am going to explain you how to add runtime permission in our project by using Dexter library. But before that, I would like you to request if you don't watch our wallpaper app in Android Studio using Pixels API or converted a website into a professional Android app, image to text scanner app, codes app, playlist, then you will find all the list in the I button. So check it out. From there you will learn more about Android app development. But now I am going to explain you how to add the runtime permission using Dexter library. So let's get started with today's video. So first of all we are going to go in build.gradle file app level module, and in that we have to add this Dexter library. So you can see that, pause this video and write it in your project. When you write it in your project, then build your project means sync your project. It will take some time, so relax, and then when it's complete, then we are going to implement our project. So here I had changed my layout from constraint layout to relative layout and applied layout gravity to be center. So first we are going to add one button, or we will start our activity in on create only. So now we are going to first implement one text view. This is for design purpose only. So wrap content, and then give it a text. Here your dashboard design will come, but here I am going to write Android tutorials. Then I am going to give its text size, that is 40 sp. Then give its text color, that is black, and then finally closing that. So here I had written my channel name Android tutorials. If you had forgot to subscribe our channel, then please make sure you subscribe our channel to get latest notification of our new app series. Then we are going to come in on create method, and after here we have to write Dexter, then write dot with context, then pass our main activity dot this, and after that we have to write dot with permission, and first we have to write a permission of whatever we want. So here I am going to write read external storage. So I am going to write users permission, and here we have to write read external storage permission, then close that. And now again move to main activity.java file, and here we have to write manifest dot permission dot read external storage. After we are going to implement listeners. So with listener, then type new of listener, and this will implement three methods in our project. So let it be, and then here we are going to write dot check. So here we are going to check our runtime permission when our project is created. So first we are going to start with permission decline. So here we have to write permission token dot continue permission request. After, when our permission is denied, we are going to start activity to our app package. So activity, then new of intent, and here we are going to write settings dot app settings, application settings. So here we are going to redirect our user, Then we are going to start when a permission is granted. So here we are going to write uh, here we are going to show one toast that we got a permission to write the external storage. So I read the external storage. So here I am going to write permission granted. So after that we will check our runtime permission in our Android application. Now there is some time, so let me give you how we are going to add alert dialog. By the way, I had explained you this alert dialog in many videos. So here I am going to write first. So here we are going to create one new button. So button is equal to, first we are going to write the text view. So here I am giving its ID. So here ID, and that ID will be button. So here I am going to write find view by ID r dot id dot button, and then set on click listener on that new of on click listener. After that, when we got an on click method, here we are going to write alert dialog dot builder, and then here we are going to write builder is equal to new of alert dialog builder dot pass the context this, and then close that, and then write builder dot set message. Here I am going to write my message. So Android tutorials, then set title, sorry, set message, not this is set title. After we are going to give its message. So my message is subscribe our channel. After I am going to write dot set cancelable to be false. So our alert dialog do not cancel itself when user click anywhere else from our button. So set positive button. So here our positive button will be text will be yes. Then here we have to write new of, and after that here we have to write what we have to done in on click. So here we are going to write a toast channel subscribe. After here we are going to write dot negative button, set negative button, that negative button always be no, and here we have to write new of dialog interface on click listener, and then we have to write on click method and then generate one toast. So here is not subscribe, and set not set button but dot show. We are going to close that here, and then write alert dialog or dialog is equal to builder dot create, and here dialog dot show. So by this way we are going to show the alert dialog in our project. So by this Android tutorial you will learn how to add the runtime permission and alert dialog in your project. So thanks for watching this Android tutorials. here we got some error, so let's check out. So here is main activity dot, so main activity dot this. So here our error is resolved, and if you had forgot to subscribe our channel, then please make sure you subscribe our channel to get latest notification. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.